Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, the HQ is coming on very well. Well, saying that, I've made slight changes to it so far. I'm going to take you in there. Okay then guys, this is getting me really excited. These are the shelves on the wall, and this is me leaning on them. Look at this. Look at that. Woo! Okay, so I am really excited about this. Now, what I've learnt from this is that actually drilling on the filament doesn't handle that very well. So the final product is gonna have screw holes already built in, and it's gonna have kind of like a cone effect where the screw head will be sitting, so that the screws can be flush with the surface. If I take up a real close up for you, so if you look here, you can see the screw kind of sticking out from the surface, so that'll be avoided by adding a wee kind of dent into the screw hole. So yeah, we'll make that adjustment. Well guys, I have some exciting news. It is finally here. It is finally here. I am super happy. Today, we're setting this baby up. The Bamboo Lab A1. Let's get going. Look how clean this is. The Bamboo Lab A1. Look at that. Look at that. It's going really well so far. Look at this. Like, this is a lot more cleaner in my opinion than this. I am taking this into a tech shop. That doesn't sound good. What was that? Was it the wire? I need to figure out a way to wire this so that it doesn't jam. Huh. Give me a minute. You guys, you have no idea how excited I am for the printer, because let me just show you the print quality. What's the best piece? So look at this piece for an example. This is a piece of the Fatebringer from Destiny 2, separate niche. I know, I was only just using it to test the quality of the printer. And oh my god, am I impressed. Look at the quality of that. You would think it was just plastic. You know? Like, honest to God. So, this piece with glue on to this piece, look at that. It's amazing. I can't wait to do my own custom print. I never made this. This is not my product. I will link the guy that made this in the description with the Bamboo Lab service. I also printed off a Hunter throwing knife. Now, if you don't know what Destiny 2 is, what the actual game's about, I will also link my gaming channel in the description if you want to check it out. If you're interested in Destiny 2, which I highly recommend you do. This is the throwing knife. Obviously, it's not glued together, but it will be soon. I've got super glue coming tomorrow. Hopefully, it should be strong enough to hold them together. Guys, I cannot wait to get the shelves printed. You have no idea how excited I am. No freaking idea. You have no idea how long I've been wanting to do that. The move from Destiny. The knife swing. Anna Bray. If you don't know who that is, Destiny 2, go ahead. Go check it out. But anyway, guys, in the next video, by then I should have the actual software all set up, ready to go to get my first shelf printed. We'll be doing that all next video. See you in the next one. Ha! Man.